Hey everybody, it's Cindy McMahon. How are you guys? I haven't had a chance to do a video in quite a while. It's just been crazy busy. I haven't stopped. I probably put 2,000 miles on my car in the last 10 days. I don't even know. It's been nuts, but I wanted to do a quick video on buying today. So I spend a lot of time talking about what sellers should do, but buyers, oh my gosh, right now it's such a challenging time for buyers. So if you're out buying a home, trying to buy a home in this era of COVID-19 and trying to take advantage of those ultra low interest rates, you know it's super tough, right? There's no houses coming on the market. When a great house comes on the market, there's like a million showings. You can barely even get in the door. And if you do get in the door, there's 7, 10, 12 offers. It's just ridiculous. So here's the deal. This took me a long time to process and get over this year because I pride myself on being a good negotiator for my clients and getting them a good deal on a house. Guess what? There's no good deals on houses right now. Maybe in really high price ranges, but basically anything under 400 in the capital region, in a popular area, there's really no good deals. You're gonna have to pay the asking price. You're probably gonna have to pay over the asking price, and you're gonna have to talk to a lender and get really creative about a strategy to avoid using sellers' concessions. And you're gonna have to listen to your agent. Hopefully you've got a good one who's going to try to give you some alternative ways to attract the seller to go with your offer, whether that's an escalation addendum or attractive financing, actually having a relationship with the listing agent and talking with them and seeing what their clients need and accommodating them. So the most important thing for you to remember as a buyer today is it is not if you get the house for a great price. It is if you actually get the house. I have lived through the last boom market in real estate, and that was a false market. That was a market that was propped up by very loose lending practices and bad loans, and that is what caused the Great Recession. So you may hear stories of people who bought a house 15, 16, 17 years ago, and they felt like they really overpaid, and it took a while for their value on the house to come back. But guess what? It's back now. So don't be afraid of that. In this current market that we are in, there is just not enough inventory. There's not going to be enough inventory for the next many years. Quite simply, we're not building. We've had slowdowns in building due to COVID, and people want homes. People do not want to be stuck in an apartment if you're going to be under quarantine or having to work from home or homeschool your children. People want to be in homes. So do not worry about slightly overpaying for a house. Worry about getting the house. If you have any questions, give me a shout. I'm at 518-496-1299. You can always call, text, or Facebook message me or DM me on Instagram. Have a fantastic day, and remember that getting the house is the most important thing. Getting the house. See you. Bye.